Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install Graveyard Keeper game for free on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to store page, and in the search the store, type Graveyard Keeper, and then click on this Graveyard Keeper game. Scroll down, and here you will see get Graveyard Keeper free to keep when you get it before 13th April. So it is a free to keep game. You can keep this game forever, and you have to grab this offer before 13th of April. So click on add to account. Now click to install now, and here you will see Graveyard Keeper. The size is 1.65 GB. So click on install, then go to library, and here you can see Graveyard Keeper game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install Graveyard Keeper for free, and it is free to keep, and the free sales ends on 13th of April 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.